In this session, we're going to review Dynamic Tooltips. Dynamic Tooltips are a great technique for messaging information and data to users without writing it directly onto the canvas of your presentation. To better understand this, we're going to start by building a simple presentation using a visual that was created previously of two pie charts. Next, we're going to add an image to the screen. For that, we're going to use one of the shapes that comes out of the box from the product, in this case the light bulb. We're going to change its fill color to yellow, and then we're going to set the tooltip by right-clicking and choosing it from the menu. In this first example, we're simply going to inject static text directly into our tooltip. From here, we can see a preview of how it's going to look, and we can format the information. The outside colors, the inside colors, the fonts, the size, the alignment, and every aspect of the actual tooltip visualization. If we were now to run our simple dashboard, we could see our tooltip in action. First, we can see the pie chart as we would expect normally, and when we hover over the light bulb, we're able to see the message that we wrote to the user. Of course, this is somewhat simplistic, so now it's time to change this into something dynamic. To begin this process, we're going to go back into our tooltip, clear out the text, and start writing a message that we would want to share with the user that is based on data. Now we're going to inject dynamic text, which is text that is derived from an existing query. We're going to open up our demo sales grid, which has been previously created, and simply read off the total sales amount from the visualization. Using the common library, we're also going to format this as pounds with no decimal points. As you can see, we've now written a message to the user that is data-driven. And we will finish that off by adding a gross margin message as well. If we were to run this dashboard now, we would see the pie chart as expected. And now when we hover over our light bulb, instead of getting a static message, we would get a message that includes data, which has been derived dynamically from a query. To finish off this demonstration, we're going to add a slice to the dashboard. The slice is automatically wired up to both the pie chart and to the light bulb. And now when we run our dashboard and change the manufacturer to Princess, the pie chart is going to change accordingly. And when we hover over the light bulb, the information inside the light bulb will change as well. This is a great way to not only message information, but also message dynamically generated information to users through off-screen elements.